Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to import opening balances in ZohoBooks. So let's get started. First, log into your ZohoBooks account and go to the Chart of Accounts from the left-hand menu. At the top right, you'll see the More or Settings option. Click on it and select Import Opening Balances. You'll be prompted to download a sample CSV file. Open this file to see the required format, which includes account name, account type, opening balance, and date. Fill in your opening balances for all accounts accurately in the CSV file. Once your CSV is ready, go back to ZohoBooks and upload the file using the import option. Review the preview to ensure all balances and account names match correctly, then click Import. ZohoBooks will now add these balances to your accounts, helping you start with accurate financial data. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.